Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Waiting kasi kami sa Onitsuka. Kasi kanina pang 170 kami. So, medyo mahaba yung pila. But now, pang 13 na lang. We're heading there. What else? Nag-shopping na rin kami ng Very Light kanina sa GU and sa Uniqlo. And also this one. I bought it sa GU pala. I'm so excited for our next destinations with S kasi madami yan. I'll update you guys once na nasa Onitsuka Tiger na kami. And I think I want to buy shoes din kasi isa rin niya sa mga dream shoes ever ko. And also si Summer, nagbabay din siya. Okay. So, ito pala yung location namin. It's Ginza, NZ, and NZ2. Tara! This is 1. Tapos, ito yung 2. Hi! Tingnan niyo yung forma niya. Oh, very Japanese. Ito yung binili niya kanina sa Uniqlo.
Papalit ako ng t-shirt later.
Yes!
Japanese. Very Japanese ka. Tingnan mo yung outfit niya. Ang cute. Mukha siyang lokal.
Walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores. Got me in my head, yeah. Don't need second guesses. Falling but won't let it show. You're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door. Walked in,
This is our third day and we're going to Mount Fuji today. So, meron kaming tour. Pupunta na kami sa Tokyo Station since yun yung meeting place namin. And then, imi-meet na namin yung tour guide. Ano pa ba? Actually, yun lang yung agenda for today, Mount Fuji. Pero hopefully, pag uwi namin, meron pa kaming maabutang bus for, I think, Tokyo tour din yun. Dito na kami sa bus and we're heading to Mount Fuji. We arrived 1 hour early kaya yun. Akala kasi namin maliligaw kami if we're going to Japan is a lot of time talaga. Much better lalo na if may tour kayo or may hinahabol kayong oras. At saka so far hindi pa kami naliligaw. Huwag naman sana kasi may maps din. Google Maps, Apple Maps, lahat ng maps. So, ayun. 7:50 na. Parang paalis na rin yung bus. I'm so excited and I'm so sleepy. Kasi 4 hours lang yung tulog ko. And sa summer. Pero worth it naman. Kahapon kasi puro shopping. Like, pumunta na rin kami sa Don Quixote. Yeah, nag-Onitsuka Tiger din kami kahapon. What else? Yeah, so far yun yung... nag-Uniqlo din pala. Uniqlo, GU. I'll see you guys later!
falling. You look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start I was all in. With the hard part is trying to say Let what you say represent me. Oh, what a way to lose my mind, but never mind. 'Cause I know it doesn't matter if you never get, but I still get anxious when I see you near. And my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. One second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying.
Alam niyo yung combination ng super tirik yung araw plus windy. Hindi ko alam kung good ba yun, pero ang ganda. Ayan lang.
Can't speak my mind, and the things I say don't come out right. What a way to waste my time. So tell me what you're doing to me. One second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me.
This is us after hiking, going to Mount Fuji. And bababa na kami. Alam niyo ba, nagpakita sa amin si Mount Fuji.
Yung top niya nagpakita.
Yeah, very rare daw nagpapakita si Mount Fuji. And according sa daily weather for Mount Fuji, parang 3% ba kanina yung chance? Basta low chance na makita namin. 1%, but kanina,
Kaninang morning.
sobrang ganda! Okay. Magbabay na kami ng mga souvenirs. And sana may matry pa kaming food. Kasi kailangan na naming bumalik sa bus around 4:10 because this is the last destination na. So after ito, uwi na kami. Bye!
Kasama niya ako.
Oh my gosh!
This point 9. 9.
9?
9. Yep.
1, 2, 8, 9.
Yep. And 60 and this point 7.
7. Okay.
And 1,000.
Yeah. Ano to? Ano to? Hi everyone! So, kakarating lang namin from Mount Fuji tour. And tapos na rin kami mag-dinner. Actually, it's around, late na rin 9:30-ish. Hindi ko sure. Pero, ayun, sobrang day well spent. Pakita sa amin si Mount Fuji, which is rare kasi merong tawag dito, merong tinitignan na daily report for Mount Fuji if ilang percent yung makikita mo yung pinaka-whole, whole, what do you call this? Like yung buong Mount Fuji. So, tapos good pa yung weather kanina. Although, ang medyo downside lang is sobrang taas ng lalakaran mo. Like, I don't know how many steps ng stairs yung nilakad namin kanina. And as a person na hindi masyadong fun ng walking, sobra yung hingal namin. Especially si mama. Kasi yon medyo hirap na siyang umakyat. So, But anyway, we managed to finish the tour. Tapos, what else? Other than Mount Fuji, meron pa kaming pinuntahan na like, para siyang lake. Ay, by the way, may papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung isa sa binili ko doon na keychain. Ayan, no. Kita ba? Siya kita. Like, yan. So cute, right? Ito yung rice cake nila. Tapos, ang natikman ko nito is yung, hindi siya yung 3 colors but same lang sila, pero parang may sauce, something siya. And ano siya, parang siyang palitaw sa Philippines. So, yun yung lasa niya. So far, yun lang yung update ko. And also, nag-stop by kami sa 7-Eleven, which is our every night routine. So, 7-Eleven talaga. So, yung travel time namin kanina, nag-start kami from Tokyo Station and then 2 to 3 hours going to Mount Fuji. So, ayun, talagang, although hindi siya yung puro walk, pero, I don't know, parang sumakit, actually hindi lang ako, sumakit yung hamstring ko, pati si mama, and also si Summer din pala, and tatay. So, parang, wala. Akala ko mas magiging, mas magiging parang rest time namin kasi hindi kami most of the time lalakad, pero parang it turns out na mas nakakapagod din kapag nakaupo ka lang. So, ayun. But anyway, for tomorrow, ang agenda namin is pupunta na kaming Shibuya. But before that, ang dami kasi namin gustong puntahan. So, hindi namin alam kung paano ipagkakasya kasi today is day 3, so tomorrow day 4, and then the next day is day 5, and then 6 is flight na namin. So, for tomorrow, dun kami pwedeng mag-market. So, we're planning to go to Ueno, which is yun daw yung cheaper na mga pasalubong like chocolates, ayan. Tapos, pupunta rin kami sa something, like kainan resto. Nakalimutan ko na. How would we all? Kasi maliligo na kami at nakakapagod na tong araw na to. Yun lang. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.